Durability. This security bit set has bits made of chrome vanadium steel for a strong hardness that reduces wear-outs and ensure longevity. Precision machined. Precisely machined bit tips with accurate size and chamfered bit ends insert smoothly into fasteners and protect both bits and fasteners from damaged edges. Corrosion resistant. Each security bit has a sandblasted finish for corrosion resistance. Organized storage. Security screw bit set is packaged in a blow mold plastic organizing case for secure storage and easy carrying. Versatility. This bit set contains many of the most common tamper-proof type security bit sizes, including tri-wing bits, torx star bits, spanner bits, and hex bits. Top reviews from the United States. Useful bits that most people don't have. Useful bits that you can use in your house that wouldn't normally be in the typical toolbox. I already have one, but I bought this for a friend.